Seventh problem. Discuss the continuity of the function f of x is equal to x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1 at x not equal to 1. So f of 1 is 1. Already value of the function at x is equal to 1 ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Value of the function calculate ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ at x is equal to 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾವು just limiting value calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Solution. The given function is f of x is equal to x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1. At x is equal to 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ limiting value ನೋಡಬೇಕು. At x is equal to 1. Consider limit f of x as x tends to a. Okay. So is equal to a limit here f of x is x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1 as x tends to a is how much? 1. Right? So a limit ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? x power 2 minus 1 power 2 divided by x minus 1 as x tends to 1 ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a. ಅಂದ್ರೆ a is 1, n is 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ n into ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into what? So 1 power 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 power 1 2. 1 into 2 2. So limiting value is 2. So limit f of x as x tends to a is 2. So already f of 1 is given. F of 1 is given. So f of 1 is equal to 1. Is it 1 is equal to 2? No. 1 not equal to 2. So therefore, so limit of the function not equal to limit of the function not equal to value of the function. Andre enayitu? F of x is a discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Okay? Andre enayitu? Limit f of x as x tends to 1 not equal to 1. So because limit f of x as x tends to 1 is 2. So f of 1 is 1. Andre 2 not equal to, it means what? F of 1, right? So limit f of x is x tends to 1 not equal to f of 1. It indicates what? F of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Therefore, f of x is discontinuous. F of x is a discontinuous at x is equal to 1. F of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Okay? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So 8th problem. Discuss the continuity of the function. Similar problem ಇದೆ. Discuss the continuity of the functions. F of x is equal to x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. X not equal to 2 and f of x is 3 at x is equal to 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of 2 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ? at x is equal to 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ what is the functions? f of x is equal to 3. Again, what is the value of the function? F of 2 is 3. Okay. Solution. So first write the given function. F of x is equal to what? X square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. So which point we want to calculate the, so to check the continuity at x is equal to 2, right? First limiting value ಏನಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So consider what? Consider a limit of f of x as x tends to a, right? So is equal to limit. So what is f of x? X square minus 4 can be written as 2 square divided by x minus 2 as x tends to 2. ಯಾವ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಯ್ತು? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x power n minus a power n divided by x minus 2 as x tends to a. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ n into what? n into, so n is what? 2 into a power, a is 2. So 2 power n minus 1 is 2 minus 1. Okay. So limit x power n. So n is the formula. Limit x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a has x tends to a. What is the formula? N into a power n minus 1. Here, so n is 2, a is also 2. Andre formula n. So n into a power n minus 1. So it means 2 into, so 2 power 2 minus 1 is 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2 is equal to what? 4. The limit of f of x as x tends to a is what? 4. So what is f of x? F of x is equal to 3 at x is equal to 2. So f of x is 3 at x is equal to is how much? 2. So what is f of 2? What is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to 3. So limit f of x as x tends to a not equal to f of a. Limit f of x as x tends to a not equal to f of a. It indicates what? F of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? As a limit f of x as x tends to what? 2 and not equal to, because 4 not equal to 3, right? So limit f of x as x tends to 2 not equal to what? F of 2. Not equal to f of 2. So therefore f of x is, f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. F of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. So both the functions are discontinuous. How many points of discontinuity? How many number of points of discontinuity? Only one point of discontinuity. So at x is equal to 1 al bitre in ella point allu it is continuous functions. F of x is a continuous function. You kelbodu. So write the number of discontinuity of f of x. How many points are discontinuous? So only one point is discontinuous. Only one point al bitre is a very continuous. So how many points? Only 1 points. So which point? At x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2 nal bitre. So this is what? Continuous functions. So this is rational functions. G of x divided by h of x. So a rational function is continuous except, so x minus 2 is equal to 0. Except x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. So f of x is continuous except x is equal to 1, right? So both the functions are discontinuous. Okay.